Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. So as we are revising our first lesson, The Tale of Benjamin Bunny, textbook bits, page number 11. Please open your textbook everyone. Now let us continue. C bit, complete these sentences with the correct collective nouns from the box. These are the collective nouns. We have to collect the correct one. First one, my aunt brought me a set of comic books to read during my holidays. So set of comic books is the correct one. Second, the dash of keys is on the table. Bunch of keys, the bunch of keys. Okay. Third, the dash of geese is flying over the lake. Flock of geese, the flock of geese. Fourth, we saw a dash of elephants crossing the road. Nothing but herd, H-E-R-D, herd. We saw a herd of elephants. Next, fifth, a dash of rabbits lives in the woods. A colony of rabbits, a colony of rabbits. Sixth, a dash of monkeys lives in the jungle. A troop of monkeys, a troop of monkeys. Please write down 2 times homework in a homework book, okay? And please do learn this bit compulsory. Now let us see vocabulary bit. Here this bit is related to the sounds. Complete these sentences with the correct words. So I love hearing the birds dash at sunrise. Nothing but chirp, C-H-I-R-P, chirp, 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 the sounds of the birds, okay? Second, dash, said the mother to her crying baby. Whoosh, like this, okay? Third, the audience dashed loudly when the singer came on stage. Nothing but clapped. The audience clapped loudly. Fourth, the frog jumped into the water with a loud splash. With a loud splash. Fifth, she shut the door with a bang when she left the room. Bang, B-A-N-G, bang. She shut the door with a bang. Okay, now sixth one, the room was so quiet that we could hear the sound of the clock ticking, tick, 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 the sounds of the clock, right? Next, 7, the children shouted happily when the last bell dashed, and the last bell rang, R-A-N-G, rang. 8, the child made a dash noise as she ate her biscuit, crunching, crunching noise. Well, that's all for today. I have completed the textbook bits. Now one more bit, let us see. Spelling. Complete these words with the double letters. Here is the double letter bit. First one, Mr. and Mrs. McGregor drove away in a horse dash. C-A-I-A-G-E. Nothing but C-A-R-R-I-A-G-E. Carriage, horse carriage. Second, the scarecrow was wearing an old dash cap. W-E-N, nothing but W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen, woolen. Third, the little rabbits didn't want to dash, nothing but S-Q-U-Z-E, under the gate because their clothes would get spoiled, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E, squeeze. Fourth, the B-O-L-E of milk is in the fridge. The P's are in the F-R-Z-E-R. Nothing about B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. F-R-E-E-Z-E-R, freezer. Bottle, freezer. Fifth, the baby loves her new R-A-L-E. Nothing but R-A-T-T-L-E, rattle. R-A-T-T-L-E, rattle. So well, please learn today's bits what I have given you. So C bit we have learned, vocabulary bit we have learned, and the spelling bit we have learned. Okay, only this much you have to learn, children. No need to learn other bits. This is not necessary. The bits which I have taught you, please learn. And here the first lesson we have completed of the textbook bits. So that's all for today. Keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.